Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amerse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 12, Smart Charts.
Question number 8. The temperature of 4 cities is shown in the following bar graph. Answer the question based on it. Students, here information regarding the temperature of 4 cities are shown with the help of bar graph. We have to answer the question based on the bar graph. Here you can see that on 1st June the temperature of Delhi was 33 degree, the temperature of Shimla was 22 degree, and the temperature of Bangalore was 28 degree, and the temperature of Jaisalmer was 38 degree. And on 1st December, the temperature of Delhi was 23 degree, the temperature of Shimla was 10 degree, temperature of Bangalore was 24 degree, and temperature of Jaisalmer was 25 degree. We have to answer the questions based on the information shown by bar graph. Now, first part of question number 8. Which city is the coldest on 1st June? Here from the graph shown on 1st June, we can see that Shimla is the coldest on 1st June as the temperature of Shimla is lowest. So we will write the answer as Shimla. Second, which city is the hottest on 1st December? Here in the bar graph you can see on 1st December the temperature of Jaisalmer is highest. So we can say that the hottest city on 1st December was Jaisalmer. So we will write the answer as Jaisalmer is the hottest on 1st December. Third one, which city has the biggest difference in temperature during 2 days, 1st June and 1st December? Students, here you have to find out which city has the biggest difference in temperature during 2 days, that is on 1st June and 1st December. Here from the bar graph you can see that the temperature of Delhi was 33 degree on 1st June and on 1st December it was 23 degree. So the difference between the temperature of Delhi on these 2 days is 10 degree. Similarly, the difference between the temperature of Shimla on these 2 days is 12 degree, as on 1st June it was 22 degree and on 1st December it was 10 degree. 22 minus 10 is 12 degree. Next, Bangalore. The temperature of Bangalore on 1st June was 28 degree and on 1st December was 24 degree. So by subtracting 24 from 28 we will get 4 degree as a difference. Next is Jaisalmer. Here on 1st June the temperature of Jaisalmer was 38 degree and on 1st December it was 25 degree. By subtracting 25 from 38 we will get 13 degree. So from the calculation we can say that Jaisalmer has the biggest difference in temperature during 2 days. So we will write the answer as Jaisalmer. Fourth one, which city has the lowest difference in temperature during 2 days, 1st June and 1st December? So students, on the basis of this calculation we can say that Bangalore has the lowest difference in temperature, that is 4 degree. So we will write the answer as Bangalore city has the lowest difference in temperature during 2 days. Fifth one, which city has a difference of 10 degrees C in temperature during 2 days, 1st June and 1st December? So with the help of this calculation we can say that Delhi has the difference of 10 degrees C in temperature during 2 days. So here we will write the answer as Delhi has a difference of 10 degrees C in temperature during 2 days. It is on 1st June and 1st December. Question number 9. Details of favorite items of members of a family are given below. Make a bar graph on its basis. Students, here the information regarding the favorite items of members of a family are given. We have to make a bar graph on its basis. Here family members are given, where father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, sister and brother are included. Here the favorite items are given as tea, coffee, chocolate and fruit. We have to make a bar graph on the basis of the information given here. Here you can see that Father likes tea and fruit. So here students, you can see a bar graph is drawn where this horizontal line shows father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, sister and brother, that is family members, and this vertical lines will represent favorite items, that is tea, coffee, chocolate and fruit. Students, here first father is written and father likes tea and fruit. So we will draw this vertical bars which will represent that father likes tea and fruit. Next is mother. Here in the table you can see mother likes tea and chocolate and fruit. So in the bar graph we will show it as mother likes tea, chocolate and fruit by drawing these three vertical bars. Now next family member is grandfather. Grandfather also likes tea, chocolate and fruit. So we will represent this by drawing three vertical bars. This bar will represent tea, this will represent chocolate and this bar will represent fruit. Next is grandmother. Grandmother also like tea and chocolate. Here also we will draw two vertical bars which will represent that the grandmother like this tea and chocolate. This vertical bar will represent tea and this will represent chocolate. Next one is sister. Sister likes coffee and fruit. In the bar graph again we will draw two vertical bars. One vertical bar will represent coffee and other will represent fruit. Now last, brother. Brother likes coffee, chocolate and fruit. In the bar graph we will draw three vertical bars. One bar will represent coffee, another will represent chocolate and this one will represent fruit. In this way students, you have to represent the information in the form of bar graph. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.